Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be going to Lookout Mountain, which is in Colorado. It's a pretty curvy road. We're going to be taking the 1993 DA Integra that I've been working on for about a year on the channel. Maybe you guys have seen it, maybe not. If you haven't, you should probably go back and look at it. Then we're going to be going to a massive car meet. It's called SLS. Yeah, we're going to try to get as much content as we can on that. And yeah, stay tuned.
We're on the road.
We're here. Finally, we've been having some
Can't even see yourself.
major issues with the radiator. I think I got too cheap of a radiator. It's a 4-row, but I think it's just single pass. So on the highway, it gets pretty damn hot. So that's a problem. Took us a while to get here. You can see the sun is already going down. At least it's bright enough to, you know, do something. But yeah, we got 3 cars out here, the Integra being one of them. And yeah, we're gonna cut to some driving. The mountain was a pretty huge disappointment. I guess they're closing the road at like 7 every night, so that sucks. The Integra handles pretty good, I'd say. It kept getting a little hot. I got to really figure out this radiator problem. But other than that, not the worst experience. Definitely not the best experience. But yeah, we're gonna go get some food. We'll take a little video there, and then we'll go straight to the car meet. More than likely, this is gonna be the highlight of the night. We got 6 burgers. We're about to feast.
No way.
We made it. The Integra's out here. If you wanna pan out, there's a bunch of cars.
That's just tough. Pan out.
We got the whole crew.
You said pan out?
Yeah.
Pan out.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
All right. Let's go look at this S2000 real quick. Oh, there's a Mark V Super right there. Pretty tough. Not gonna lie. The E36. Beautiful. This is so heat. It's pretty cool.
The flashlight.
That's a precision turbo. That's kind of dope. A nice radiator. Turbo smart wastegate. Not bad. Not too shabby. The little bar is pretty sick. Yeah, I like the red. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. Look at this one too. There's 3 of them. No way. I didn't even look. I like this white one. This white one's beautiful. This wing is so, and it's paint matched.
Dude, I like the tail lights.
This one's beautiful. That whole lip and everything just looks great. You could back up and get a better video of the bottom. Get some light. I like those wheels. There's a VMS. Those are so cheap. They're so fire. They're perfect. With the proxies on them, with the R888Rs and skinnies in the back, they're like, yeah, that's pretty cool. I do like the diffuser on that. It's kind of ricey, but. So much merch. Yeah, I wonder how much money they're making from all this. The Lamborghini's pretty cool. There's a lot of people in the way, but.
I don't want to be buying. Why are you recording me, dude? Why are you recording me? Please stop recording me.
the CRT. I might have to change cameramans. This guy. They're just fooling around here. They don't even know how to record. Kind of a before and after, if you will. I do like how the wheels stick out a little bit more in the rear. It's a lot more full than mine is, for sure. I need to get some coilovers. Not too bad, though. The white's definitely better. The little duckbill, in my personal opinion. The Del Sol, the wheels are too big. The green one, not bad. So I'm going to get one of these as my next daily.
My next paycheck, I'm buying one of these.
Guys, I could really use a sponsor. Corvette, help me out here, guys. What do you think?
Dude, that shit's pretty minty.
It looks mad OEM. It is pretty dope. Even beautiful duckbill. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is my favorite year of Corvette ever. Fun. Very nice. The color on this, 7 out of 10. Maybe even an 8 out of 10. The grill is phenomenal. Even the mirrors are paint matched with the exact same wrap. The pink's pretty sick too, I'm not gonna lie. This thing's beautiful.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. The stock wheels too. And the hard top. Pretty sweet. The matte green's kind of cool. I'm not sure about the fake carbon stripes. The wheels are kind of weird looking as well. Kind of a at-home paint job, if you will. No hate there, but you know. Faded a little bit, but what? Yeah, we should probably get some photo shoots with this, to be honest.
Don't worry, I know the guy. He's a pretty cool lad.
This is probably the coolest semi I've ever seen. The color's not really doing it for me, but it looks phenomenal. And the fact that there's 2 snowmobiles on the back, it's just like the cherry on top. It looks great. You doing it? Yeah, this is Speed Factory. Probably pretty fast. Not good. Can we hold hands so we don't lose each other?
What do you think of the 4-door? That's tough.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Pretty
The wheels,
wheel fit me, or choice.
yeah, it does look like it should be on a modern car.
Yeah.
Modern wheels on a not so modern car. That's gonna do it for this video today, guys. As you can see, everybody's leaving. We would hit up another spot, but I'm trying to get up early tomorrow. Don't want to waste a lot of time. Overall, it wasn't the best trip, but yeah, if I didn't mention it before, go check out my new website. I got this merch and a few others on there, minatoperformance.com. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and subscribe.